Today we're going to take a look at the Polkadot POC, its market cap rank, which actually makes it the fifth most searched tech yard. So something pretty significant is happening with Polkadot right now, and we're going to dive deep into its analysis. We'll then go ahead and make a price prediction for the Polkadot POC. So let's just jump right over to the chart, shall we? We're currently looking at a 1-hour time frame, which is a great way to really understand the current market dynamics that are at play. You see, the general trend has been pretty bearish for a number of days now, but we're starting to witness a significant change of character on the upside. Just look at this. Take a moment to observe how the Crypto-Quebec indicator is really doing its job effectively here. We're seeing a nice upward movement, a solid pullback, and then we're pushing the link on the chart itself. Now, for anyone who's interested, this Crypto-Quebec chart, completely free, is available right in the bio. You can simply click the link down in the description section and you'll be able to access my analyses and these charts. It's incredibly useful, and honestly, it works exceptionally well for traders. Returning to the pullback we observed, we saw a clear break of structure happening on the upside within the overall market cap. This Crypto-Quebec version, it's really performing magnificently. We'll have to see how the Popoche unfolds. The momentum indicator, as you can see, is now attempting to move downwards, which is precisely what we're observing right here on the chart. It's currently bouncing off the indicator. What we're really hoping to see here is for the stochastic indicator to turn around, pivot, and then resume its trajectory towards the north. And that, my friends, is exactly what appears to be transpiring right now with Polkadot. Now, if we shift over to a larger time frame to get a better perspective for making a prediction, it's truly...
And we can actually see that the Crypto-Quebec indicator appears to be about a day ahead of time. Why? Because the move for tomorrow is already being signaled today. I'm placing my marker on this current candle right here, and you can see that the predicted move for tomorrow is already established, and the price point is also clearly indicated. So this is essentially signaling to us that the price is projected to move upwards to this level. And if we take a measurement from this current point and indeed extend that line all the way up to that projected peak, it would represent a substantial potential increase, indicating a very significant upside potential for Polkadot. To recapture recent gains, we're looking at a potential increase of around 59% from its current position to reach that target. And then we'll set a stop loss, thinking about what might happen next. Perhaps starting by targeting this level would make much more logical sense. If you enter the trade here, it's almost certain there will be a pullback at some point. Why? Because this is the middle of the channel, and a reversal is definitely a possibility. With about 5 to 6 hours left in the current trading period, if we do experience a pump, we can anticipate a pullback to this particular area. You see these resistance levels that are currently in place, and then to extend that to here. Why? Well, I believe that the upper boundary of the channel is often the point where significant reversals tend to occur. Just observe, if we pump towards the upper channel boundary, we tend to see a subsequent decline. So if you were to adjust the upper channel target, instead of 24%, it would actually be, we always advise people to enter at the lower end of their targets, so it would be something like a 35.37% potential gain. And I must mention, if you choose to join the Crypto-Quebec team on BitGet or perhaps on Buttonix, you can clearly see here that there's an $8,000 bonus available on BitGet and a substantial $5,400 bonus on Buttonix. So by using either of these two exchanges, I will then personally invite you into my exclusive Telegram group, where we currently have a thriving community of 664 traders. The impressive results you see